Hey there, and welcome to the Wix website tutorial for beginners. This is the fifth and final video in the 5-part series where I walk you through my process of building out a website in the new Wix Editor X builder. In this video, we will be taking our website live. First, we'll start off by checking out the hosting plans and finding one that best fits our needs. Then we'll connect our existing domain to our new website. And then finally, the moment of truth, we will launch our website and make it live for the world to see. All right, so let's go ahead and select a hosting plan for our site. I'm gonna go up here to upgrade, and I can compare plans or I can upgrade now. I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade now. It's gonna open a new tab. And here you have two different tiers of hosting plans. I'm just gonna go with the basic entry-level one. Go ahead and select that. All right, here I can select to go annually and save some money, and the more years I go out, the more money I save. Or I can go with a monthly plan, which is what I plan on doing anyways. And you can see that it notifies me that I lose out on a free domain for the year by not going with a annual plan. That's fine. I'm gonna go select, and then I'm gonna enter my details here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, now that I have my details in, I'm gonna go ahead and check this off to authorize payment. I see here that I have a 14-day money-back guarantee, so I'm gonna go ahead and submit this purchase. So my site is now premium. I have the monthly combo plan, and now I can connect it to a new domain, or if I have a domain, I can connect it to that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and click OK, I'm done. And now I can go ahead and connect my domain. All right, so now that we have our hosting plan set up, I'm gonna go ahead and set up a domain or connect a domain to this site. So connect a domain I already own. That's the option I wanna go with. All right, I have my site right here with the premium. I have that checked off. Click on next. And the domain I want to connect is therichreview.com. Click on next. All right, so it tells me right here, it will walk me through this process step by step. Should take about 5 to 10 minutes, and it could take up to 48 hours for the domain to connect to the site. I'm gonna click start. So here we're looking at a 4-step process, and the first step is asking if I've logged into my domain provider. And if I haven't, it gives me a list of instructions on how to do just that. So I've already logged into my domain provider, so I'm gonna go ahead and check this off. All right, with my domain settings open, it's asking me to look for a button or link with the words manage settings. Okay, I already found that, great. Here it's asking for my name servers. So I found my name servers. And now one at a time, replace my current name servers with the ones below. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this over. Second name server, check off I've replaced my name servers. Congratulations, therichreview.com is connected to your site. All right, now I'm just gonna bring this window down slightly right here, and you can see that the site is connected. I'll hit enter again, and we're good. So we did it. Congratulations to those of you that were able to complete this tutorial from beginning to end. And now for a quick recap. We started by running through a quick overview of the new Editor X builder interface. In video 2, we transferred our existing wireframe sketches and copied to the Editor X canvas by dragging and dropping elements onto the page and setting our page structure. In video 3, we really dug in and styled our page and made sure that it looked amazing in each and every breakpoint. In video 4, we ran through our Q&A process and found some typos and adjusted some areas that needed some extra TLC. And then finally, in this 5th video, we chose a hosting plan, connected our domain, and took our page live. So, how did you do? Were you able to follow along and build your own landing page? Prove it, and share your link in the comments below. I truly hope that my process of building out a site in Wix works for you, whether it be building in this builder or another platform. If not, hopefully you were able to find some great takeaways from this video that you can apply on your web design journey. I would really love to know your thoughts on this tutorial series and know if it worked for you or met your expectations. Also, let me know what you'd like to see next, whether it be a specific video or a category of videos. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments below, hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, and be sure to ding that notification bell to find out when I release my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.